To take out the rear window regulator clip, you need to have the window in a down position. You can see the hole in the clip, and then you have to unbolt these bolts along the perimeter of the plate, and then you need to unattach this wire harness. Push these clips. You can do this only by hand. So I have unplugged all the connectors, unclipped all the wire harness from behind the plate. So I have my plate loosened. Get these grommets inside. Just only pull all the plate in this side to pull out this rod. When I starting to disassembling these doors, there was one tricky part. I mean this connection. It goes to locking mechanism. It moves like this, and you need to push it down, and it needs a lot of force to plug this. So I have my plate off. The wire harness is fully unattached. I disassembled these doors because my rear window doesn't move down. It can lift up, but doesn't move down. If this happens to you, you can know it's because this pin drops from the clip, so the window can't move down. The upper clip just broke down, so I have to buy a new clip. Just have installed the new regulator clip. Have to unbolt this screws to do this job, because another way this rod have a lot of tension, and I didn't find any better way just to unbolt this part. Just have installed the window regulator. First I slide the window into the regulator, put the sprocket in the pin, and then try to slide those pins into the glass hole